Obahi bebre, ano pokuare no mawano, asante kotokono no, soni ebedi akwa abua ho, etuone tone sakra abua nkwa, yadi etiribeto ho, asabine frititio, efrititio dmankuma, ade no yamfa anto de da.
Da fofo tweda mponyankopon de ama me no mienu, nti yasat na se yesa babesua de. Enne ye ba behwe Parliament of Ghana, omo position awo Sampa ho nsensem ho. Hwan na Sampa ne dia Parliament na afin so eye Minister of Interior Yera Ambassador enso so ekaye. Na wanoma man hene mienu enso esaya wo akwakoka eye National House of Chiefs ho. Ene ye de ni nyina ebro medin e de maame fozia. Yenya brani mfa ensem ni nyina emfamro. Ene eye goso nananom atenankonya meka National House of Chiefs edo mo na se etwato ade ebaye no. Nananom awo agi won tumu mo mbeye members a sebi won so aye de kire eye members ni nyina no. Eye goso emahene. Nana akosi bosompra. Ena sesei o eyinu a ono baba besi eye bechim mahene a nano okra koya ye dine na wotweda ye hweda ye be no doti yi no ena esuminya hene so eye eduana PC na ono nso ababa babesi eye sabronum hene anemu zanza sabronum ma eye sabronum hene nso akra eko na enika seme wo mu ne se esuminya eye eduana ena goso nso eye eduana na mo mien kohwe bra na won esaye no emra
I having been elected a member of the National House of Chiefs, do hereby in the name of God and our great ancestors, swear that I will bear true faith, and allegiance to the Republic of Ghana, as by law established, that I will uphold and defend the provisions of the Chieftaincy Act, 2008 Act 759, and that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge the duties of a member of the National House of Chiefs. So help me God. Congratulations.
Na de to so bio no so ye baba behwe ensem a aye Ghana ye mase bedwafim ye House of Parliament enso eka edefa aye Sampa ensem a ekoso no in terms of security ene de amamra no ka ena afin so de tumi no eye ne de ase osi Sampa ehene o me enkohwemra.
Speaker, I wish to also correct some factual inaccuracies in what you have presented to the House this morning. Sampa falls within the administrative control and purview of Otumfuo. Royal Majesty Osei-Tutu II Asantehene. Sampa is part of Asanteman. Therefore, Otumfuo installs all paramount chiefs within his administrative area. It is therefore unfortunate for a matter of such nature, a very sensitive matter, when it comes to the installation of Amahime or paramount chiefs within the Santaman area to be determined at the Bono Regional Council. Mr. Speaker, it behoves from Otumfuo. Let me distinguish between security and chieftaincy. The law is clear that chieftaincy matters are to be handled by traditional authority. In this matter, it is clear that since 2007, there has been a vacant school, the Paramount School of Sampa. In June this year, on 22nd June 2023, the Alandu Council gave a ruling in favor of one side. The parties went to the Asante and submitted themselves to the Alandu Council. Speaker, a ruling was given on 22nd June 2023. From that time, there was no violence. The Member of Parliament rightly points out, he says in November, and I'll help him, November 23rd, 2023, the Sampa Traditional Council issued a notice for the installation of the victorious party before the victorious council. By the law, we are restricted to maintaining the peace. We cannot determine a matter of chieftaincy. So it starts from the Alandu Council, it comes down to Sampa Traditional Council. There was no disturbance of peace until 30th November. And 30th November was the day on which the chief was to be installed. On that day, the police saw a group of youth, 150 youth, 11 civilians went to Sampa District Hospital. The person who was shot by the youth, not the police. There's a chieftaincy matter. All the parties submitted themselves to the Asante.
Chechimuno ena Subin MP and nothing so Mashebedwania or Edema German South and German North about to Mpesia Sono. And Interior Minister Chechimuno, that's one Chimama Union Ayatia say. Sampa fall under the jurisdiction of Otumfuo City to Abibio. Nasa wano ene wutumi say we Sampa ehene. Na ebe 17 years ni no anase emfie edu enso ni no. Yeni Sampa hene. Eno nti abranche na se so se nya do opagya no ho so on na Sampa hene no. Emra no ne mpanyufo nyina di adanse se onye Sampa hene, yeni Sampa hene. Ena bambo ho nsem so won ka ho asema etu sebi etu kasa ye no so ena yewura ambassador reading chemu bae no wo kire se emmebu na no ma no esom oha ne aduonum ena na wo mabo mo ho a na sebi wonwa ye wonwadwen so mo de mmra ebe hye won nsem eno nti bambo fo no ko so mo kwakobo won ho ban na wo hu ya ne se etu akasa etu ni free emrantie no a na sebi omode mmra hye won nsem no ba ko ena woto sebi opoma etu abode bo ono ani nua oye civilian anase wonye eye bamboni na odetu ni bo no na emumu no di wo wotumi a wo ho kwan se wosi eye Sampa hene de eye ro kotoko hene nko a ena afi nsoso no emra no emma amanyofo ho kwan ene parliament ho kwan emmo momfo mo ho enwura ahensem mu ne titiru ene kro be refi asante kotoko hene Otumfuo City to Abibio osante hene ede enu nti no enemma mu machebedwafie no mpo emma ye hu se Sampa fall the reduction of Otumfuo City to Abibio ayirado ma hene as chairman no oni hu itumi na enne hane de na adesua no esi da se da ne breni na unya daje na wo hweye nyame hwawo
obo ahin bebre na no poku are no ma wa no asante kotoko no no so ni ebedi akon aboabo ho eti one to na sakra abo ankwa ye de etiri beto asɛm no firi titio efiri titio dmankoma ade no yɛmfa nto deɛ da